Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix iPhone charging but not turning on iPhone. Solution 1. Charge your iPhone longer. The first thing you should know is that if the iPhone battery is completely drained for a long, then your iPhone won't turn on immediately the time you charged it. It needs time to resume power and it should take longer than the normal time. So just wait at least half an hour before checking its condition. The second thing there is that if the device is in daily use but your iPhone just won't turn on, then there are chances that the problem is caused by the charging accessories. Solution 2. Check your lighting cable and your charger. If it's truly the second situation mentioned in the last solution, you can check the charging things now. Since it's always recommended to use the original charging cable and charger. If you are using the on without assurance, changing them would be better. And for the most cases, it's always the lighting cable for charging that has a poor connection inside that gets easily neglected and brings you trouble. In these cases, you can use it to charge another iPhone. If the device is charged normally, then the issue is with your iPhone. If not, charging it can solve your iPhone dead and not charging issue. Solution 3. Clean the charging port on your iPhone. If changing the charging cable and USB adapter doesn't work, it is very possible that the charging port of your iPhone may be dirty or damaged. Check the board and gently clean out any dust and debris you may see on it and then firmly plug in your charging cable into the device. If nothing happens, you may move on to check other situations. Solution 4. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 series and iPhone SE second and third generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.